The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Pull the panel down that makes up the footwell ceiling to expose the screws securing the bottom of the glove box assembly. Remove them using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 Torx screws securing the glove box housing. Remove the glove box light. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Install your new AQ1216C filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the bottom panel.